that's what we said. And let's open it up. It comes in this Meesho packaging, and let's open it up and see. अब यहाँ पे ये सही है, यहाँ पे फिसल गया है. सो इट्स लाइक द प्रिंटिंग इज, मतलब बॉक्स पे प्रिंटिंग का प्रॉब्लम है भाई साहब, अंदर तो आप छोड़ ही दो. सो let's see, I think it's also received the price. It comes with this particular booklet का भी printing फिसला हुआ है, तो मतलब, and this also does not speaks very good quality. I know it's थोड़ा सा price, I think थोड़ा सा 50-60 रुपये ज़्यादा तो better मिल सकता है. So this is the card. I think this way it's fine, it's good. थोड़ा सा dark print है, मतलब probably it's मेरा bias हो सकता है, but this is, I think this way it's fine. I think ऊपर तक तो ठीक नहीं था, but this is okay. Like it's supposed to be pentacles, the original वाले symbols हैं, 7, this 3 of cups, pentacles, knight of pentacles, queen of pentacles, king of pentacles, then star, ये सब चीज़ें भी ठीक हैं. So I'll get you one thickness of it. So about 0.2 millimeter. Okay, like इतना ही रहता है, but size could have been a little bit longer. मतलब up to you. It's like it's easier to hold and quality भी अच्छा, because if you want to shuffle, बहुत लोग ऐसे वाले shuffle करते हैं, तो उसके हिसाब से भी अगर आप देखना चाहे तो. And quite basic, ऐसा कुछ वो खास नहीं है, but it's okay. Like for 325 what you can ask. This is Pamela Collins Smith and original tech. This is, but printing quality is what it is, but I think for the price it's okay. Like 325 रुपये आपको मिल रहा है. So yeah, so this is the card and this is how it पीछे look. थोड़ा सा printing quality better हो सकता था. Link in the description for this. Bye bye, thank you.